head on
Where's
that
your
one.
head print? Right there? Is it that one up there?
I'm trying not to laugh, Brian, but
You know what? It's that one.
Yeah, I think it is. Face first.
Oh, that one smacked my brain.
You felt it bounce a
Oh,
little.
fuck yeah.
I'm sorry.
the camera on?
No, I'm okay, guys.
Oh
You can
yeah,
laugh.
I got
Don't
it.
feel bad for laughing, because
I got most of it. I was ripping up there, and I was like, "Oh fuck! I hope I don't run over him."
I was trying to not. I was just trying to keep it upright.